Hi, everyone. It's Hunter Lott, your HR problem solver on demand. And this is Take 5 from our series, No Excuses. Retention in 2023. I think that this may be one of, if not the big HR issue next year, is retaining talent. And whether you're growing like crazy and hiring as fast as you can, or going through a reduction in force, it's going to be about retaining the good people that you have. We've talked about the big quit, people leaving voluntarily, reductions in force, mergers, acquisitions. It's slowed down maybe a little bit, but I love millennials, Gen Zs. They're pushing us as leaders, saying, look, we have options now. And so we get to decide, what kind of culture do you have? What is your HR brand? Why should I come work for you? More importantly, I think, why should I stay? This slide drives those of us in HR crazy. Look at this. Half the employees who voluntarily left. Hey, it said the manager could have had at least an influence on keeping me. More than 50% said no one in management in the last 3 months has talked to them about the job, the future, the company, how they're doing, how anybody's doing. When people say, well, everybody wants a raise and they want a ping pong table and a pool table in the front, and they don't want to come to work at all. And when you then look at this and say, this costs us zero money, but we're not even willing to do this. And this goes to what we've talked about in HR for a long time, that employees leave managers, not companies. So, and you've seen this. Come on. I'm not talking about 90 minutes every week. I'm talking 90 seconds, a touch point. Every employee, 2 questions to ask. What are you working on? How can I help? And 2 points to make. Tell them how they're doing. Tell them what's next. Oh, needy in my day. Oh, that's right. Just forget it. It's like customers. Customers are so needy. They're calling us up. They want to know about their product, their service, quality control. The last thing we need at this company is customers. Look, if you'll just think of applicants, employees as customers, and realizing that the balance of power shifted, the numbers, the economy has changed. What am I doing to attract and retain my top people? Dollar-wise, the big data shows us, and this is probably a low number, this formula. For simplicity's sake, take half of what they make. So if they're making $100,000, it'll cost you $50,000 to go out, interview, screen, hire, and train up to speed, including the lost business customers during this process. Yet, what another thing drives HR crazy. Hey, we've got a really talented person who's looking for an 8 to 10% raise this year. No way, not going to do it. And so they leave. 2 years later, they're coming back to us. Now they're more valuable because they quit. Let's get, 30%, 40%. Apparently, there's an unlimited pool of money to hire new talent. Where's the money to retain the talent we have? Yes, wages are part of this. Watch for total labor costs next year, 4 to 6%. Training and development. Every employee at every level should be in the process of or have the skills they need for the next job, whether that next job's with us or somebody else. This training and development sets our HR brand, is an attraction to keep A players. And then, yes, vacation. Google's doing the, I think, once a quarter, no meetings week. Yeah, it's part of culture. But this is all this pounding of the drum we've had in the last 2 years. Employees telling, I want a better experience. Don't tell me just come back to work because I should. Why? Hey, how important is this? A players, 22% more profitable, those companies with A players, 41% lower absenteeism, 18% retention with customers. The numbers are pretty clear. This is not complicated, not even necessarily expensive. This is pushing us as leaders to do the right thing. Hey, thanks for watching this week and listen to me rant about retention. Go to hunterlot.com. It's a great time of year to have your handbook reviewed. I'll be happy to update that. Look for any changes that may be necessary. We'll see you next time on Take 5.